Hey, welcome back to EdTech. Continuing with my lessons on Learn Basic JavaScript on FreeCodeCamp platform. So today's topic is adding new properties to a JavaScript object. Until now, we've been updating the properties. So today we'll be adding a new property. So let's see how it's done. Let's read a bit out here. So you can add new properties to existing JavaScript objects the same way that you would modify them. We have been modifying them, but we haven't added yet. So here's how we would add a bark property to our dog. So the object our dog, you want to add a bark property. So what do you do? Using dot notation, it would be our dog, which is the name of our object, dot the property, which is bark, and then equal to sign on the right hand side within quotes you write the value. So here the value is bow wow. When you use the dot notation, it's dot bark. When you use the bracket notation, then the name of the property our dog followed by the bracket, and then within the quotes you need to write the property which is bark, and then the value equal to value which is bow wow within quotes on the right hand side, right? So that is how you will get this new property to be added to our object. As you can see here, name, legs, tails, friends is already there. Also added our dog dot bark. Now let's do the given task here. An object has been given whose name is my dog, and you should not add bark to the setup section, but you need to add bark property to my dog and set it to a dog sound such as woof. You may either use dot or bracket notation. So let's see how the code is. Part of it is given already. So the setup outside the setup section only you need to do, right? Like here it says only change code below this line, so you have to do it there. So var my dog, name, happy coder, legs 4, tails 1, all these values are provided here. Friends, FreeCodeCamp campers. And now I need to add the new property which is bark with a value of woof. Okay. So using a dot notation, let's do here my dog dot bark. That's the property. Okay. Dot bark equals value woof. So within quotes, woof. WOOF. Wait, let me set this right. Let me write. I have some issues with my keypad. So now, okay, woof. Otherwise, it's hard to do it. Okay. So my dog.bark value is woof. Let's run this. There you go. Now, if I want, I can also use the dot notation. I just remove the dot and I just write the bracket, and then as you remember, for this you need quotes for the bracket notation, yeah, and everything else remains the same, simple. Then let's run. Where's my run? Oh, I don't find my run here. Oh, because I already passed the test. That's crazy. So anyway, you can also do it this way, unless I reset and then do. Okay, I need, oh yeah, here. I lost my run key, ha ha ha. Okay, so now run it. There you go. Nice one. Submit, go to the next challenge. Or you can download it as well for your records. You can also download, remember, you can download the results. So you already passed and we go to the next one, which is delete properties from a JavaScript object that I'll be teaching you in the next lesson. Quite simple, right? So see you in the next lesson. If you've not yet subscribed, do remember to subscribe to my channel so that we can go along in our journey from zero to hero in all the lessons and get the certifications also from FreeCodeCamp certifications in different sections. So I'll be continuing in this order. So stay tuned, stay subscribed, stay safe, smash the subscribe button, smash the bell button, and see you in the next lesson. Until then, bye.